Spotify Camp Nou is now entering a completely new phase of construction. The compression ring is expanding rapidly, the upper tier is finally receiving its exterior panels, and crews are already installing LED lighting systems onto the decorative Lamas. At the same time, VIP zones, third-tier terraces, and multiple exterior sections are all progressing together, making the stadium look more complete with every passing week. The sandwich panel installation has officially reached the second overhang level at the upper tier of Spotify Camp Nou, marking one of the most visually important developments of the renovation so far. For months, the lower sections of the stadium were progressively receiving exterior panels, while the upper tiers remained exposed in their unfinished structural state. But now, that visual contrast is finally beginning to disappear as crews actively install panels across the upper exterior sections. Each newly installed panel is transforming the appearance of the stadium and helping connect the finished lower facade with the upper levels. The upper tier is now slowly receiving its final exterior identity, making the entire structure look more complete and far more unified from every angle. This phase is especially significant because the upper sections dominate the overall skyline of the stadium. As installation continues expanding across the second overhang level, the visual transformation of the new Camp Nou is expected to accelerate dramatically over the coming weeks. Facade work in the South Gol sector is now actively moving into its next phase with ongoing installation of structural facade elements and force-related supports. More sections of the outer structure are being fitted, giving the stand a stronger and more defined architectural shape with each passing day. The continuity of the installation is now clearly visible, and the sector is steadily moving closer to its final exterior form, with crews maintaining a consistent and structured workflow across the entire South Gol area. And the overall visual impact is becoming more impressive every single week. One of the biggest updates comes from the compression ring structure, which continues expanding rapidly on both sides of the stadium. In South Gol, the steel phalanges, radial beams, and support pillars have now reached close to the middle section of the stand. What makes the progress even more impressive is the symmetrical workflow happening simultaneously in both South Gol and North Gol. Construction teams are currently assembling multiple major steel sections every single day, and specialists involved in the project now believe the full compression ring could be completed by the end of August. This remains one of the most important and complex phases of the entire rebuild. Another major development is the progress on the stadium's vertical core structures. New metallic finishing panels are now being installed around several cores near the South Gol lateral sector, replacing the previously visible insulation material. These finishing elements immediately give the structures a much cleaner and more modern appearance. At the same time, new support superstructures have appeared on some of the most advanced cores, confirming that decorative Lamas will also cover these vertical sections. These facade elements will extend upward alongside the pillars, helping create a continuous architectural design throughout the stadium exterior. Another important update comes from the lateral sector, where crews are actively installing LED lighting systems directly onto the decorative Lamas. Many lighting units are already visible across completed facade sections, while workers continue expanding the installation into new areas. Once fully activated, these LED systems will completely transform the nighttime appearance of Spotify Camp Nou, giving the stadium a much more modern and futuristic identity as the exterior facade continues moving closer to its final look. Over in the Tribuna sector, activity continues around the future commercial and fan experience zones. The diamond-shaped buildings are becoming more advanced, especially the future official club store, where major interior work is now underway following the installation of the exterior glass panels. Structural supports are also appearing near surrounding areas, strongly suggesting future giant screens and fan gathering zones will become part of the final Espai Barca experience. This entire side of the stadium is gradually transforming into a large entertainment and commercial complex connected directly to the new stadium environment. In North Gol, progress continues at nearly the exact same rhythm seen in South Gol. Compression ring pillars and radial beams have advanced significantly, maintaining the stadium's symmetrical construction strategy. Decorative facade support structures are also becoming more visible across this sector, especially near the upper levels where the Mediterranean wave-style design will eventually stand out most clearly. The lateral and northern areas now contain large amounts of stored steel materials, beams, and phalanges ready for upcoming installations, showing that construction teams are preparing for another major acceleration phase in the coming weeks. Work across the third-tier terraces is continuing steadily as preparations advance toward the planned 80,000 capacity target for next season. Crews are currently focused on marking and creating the step zones throughout the terrace surfaces. This process is progressing section by section with careful precision because the third tier represents one of the largest seating areas inside the stadium. The terrace shaping work is essential for the future installation of seating infrastructure and overall spectator accessibility. At the same time, additional crews are applying protective coatings across different terrace sections. Both operations are happening simultaneously across the upper levels, allowing multiple construction phases to move forward together without delays. The combination of terrace marking and protective coating applications shows that the third tier is transitioning deeper into its finishing stages. Structural work is no longer the main focus here. Instead, the stadium is moving into the detailed preparation phase that directly supports future operational readiness for large-scale attendance. The enclosures for the second VIP ring have now been completed, marking another major step forward in the premium infrastructure development inside Spotify Camp Nou. For the past several weeks, most of the visible enclosure progress had been concentrated around the sideline VIP sections. But now, the enclosure work is clearly expanding into additional areas of the stadium, showing that VIP development is accelerating on multiple fronts simultaneously. With the second VIP ring now enclosed, crews can move deeper into the interior fitting and finishing stages inside those premium spaces. This includes the preparation of operational infrastructure, interior layouts, and other essential finishing elements required before the VIP areas become fully functional. The rapid expansion of these works highlights how important the VIP zones are to the overall commercial strategy of the new stadium. More sections are now transitioning from open structural zones into enclosed premium environments, bringing the stadium closer to its final operational form. In the corner area, the lower tube structure continues extending upward into the mid-tribune section, with daily installation work still in progress. New supports and brackets have been added recently across multiple levels, making the structure more defined, although some sections are still without fittings. The overall tube system is becoming clearer and will eventually be covered by facade Lamas, while crews continue precise installation work within tight structural spaces. Overall, the rebuild of Spotify Camp Nou is now progressing on multiple major fronts simultaneously, and the stadium is starting to look more complete with every passing week. From the expansion of the compression ring to the installation of sandwich panels, decorative llamas, LED lighting systems, VIP enclosures, and third-tier preparations, nearly every sector of the project is now moving into more advanced construction phases. The visual transformation is becoming more dramatic week after week, and if the current pace continues, the coming months could completely change the appearance of the